And the chicken does not like. We're gonna get it to chase me. For however long it will.
With a nigga that be stacking all the time just for rapping all them lines. Don't plan on falling back, I don't relax, I'm on my grind, got that tatted on my mind. Money it is, I'm like butter when it come to my bread, I'm on top of it. Swagger on 100. Where I'm from, I'm an icon and a hero. I crack a cigarillo, put some ray in the middle. My grind like the niggas with them things in the riddle. Spit hot water over.
Logan, it's running away from you.
I'm getting a close up right now. You're so afraid of it, aren't you? Oh, this one's going for it. What? What? You a background watermark. My flow more than hard, my nigga, I'm solid. You want that bullshit with the mic like Scotty. Don't need security, I got Breeze and Big Lonnie. An average size team, but we seem like an army. Smoke a lot of green, cause a lot of green on me. Comatose, pick a drug, this shit overdose. I'm trying to get your voice recorded on here. I don't know how good the mic is.
I think chicken all deserves to die.
What about you?
Back away! You're making it walk away.
You're walking towards it though.
Yeah, but it chases me. It's scared of you. Back away. Stop. Stop walking. You're fine. The video's fine. Stop.
I need
Stop.
to
Stay.
record
Stay.
chicken.
Stay. Puppy. Stay.
Fuck you. I don't know if I got that or not. You're so crazy. All about my green spinach leaves, lettuce, cabbage. And since this number 2, I'ma rock more shows and do big numbers too. Back on the farm ranch. Back on. Oh shit. I tell you that if it ain't getting money, get lost. I flooded my pee when you cop that cross. Lame niggas on my dick, make me sick, get off. What up, my nigga Charles? Man, I just had to say it. And Slade didn't make this beat for me, but I just had to slay it. It stopped fall. Oh no, it's still over there. It stopped. Dude, it stopped. How the fuck I eat? You smell? That paper up and holler at your boy, you know what I'm saying? You under smell, you under. Yeah. It's that 412 shit, you know what I mean? Me in Pittsburgh, ID Labs and all that. My nigga Sledgerin, Josh, Big Lonnie with that motor. Cause if he ever died. Look where I'm at. It's that Prince of the City 2 shit. Look where I'm at, dude. I'm like practicing right next to it. I'm like right next to it. Nothing to me, man. When y'all niggas see me, man. If you got a fucking problem, just keep it fucking moving, man. I really, I mean. Hey, puppy. Can I try getting to chase you again?
I stay behind you.
Why?
This young Wiz himself, that cut, nigga. You smell already know. You know, the print. Large amounts of weed. Yeah, they gon' get it. When there's a lot of getting it, it's shot. Wiz number 2. Mr. Full. 2. Can't stop this. Slide 1-2 shit. Yeah, fuck with a nigga that be stacking all the time just for rapping all them lines. Don't plan on falling back, I don't relax. I'm on my grind, got that tatted on my mind.
What? Were you gonna say something? No.
I
Okay.
think the chicken won.
It didn't want against me. I'm like sitting right next to it. Like it's my best friend now.
I crack a cigarette with some ray in the middle. My grind like the niggas with them things in the riddle.
Yeah, definitely won.
Cocaine instrumentals and call it crack. They leave standing, have them crawling back. That nigga the shit.
All right,
Okay,
guys, we're
guys.
gonna end the video here.